Hey, so today's video is for those of you out there who've never done Pilates before or it's been a while. This is an absolute beginner workout, 15 minutes long, and we're going to target the entire body and get you connected into your core. So if you want to give Pilates a try for the first time, come and join me.
Reach your arms up, back, still keeping the shoulders down, and lower the arms down. As you reach your arms back, think of keeping your ribcage together and relaxed. The abdominals are engaged. My feet and knees are about hip-width distance apart, and I'm distributing my weight and my toes equally. Tuck the pelvis for a pelvic tuck, and then untuck, slightly arcing the back. As you tuck the pelvis, think of scooping your belly button in and up, and then releasing the abdominals. 2 more times. You can always place a pillow or a ball between the knees to keep the knees in line with the hips. Pilates curl, curl the head, neck, and shoulders up, scooping the abdominals in and up. Palms are facing each other to allow the shoulders to glide down into the back easily. Inhale with the head down. Exhale, curl up for the last time. Bring your left knee in, right hand to the left knee. Reach the arm back and the leg out. Inhale, hand towards knee. Exhale, reach out. Reach the arm back and the leg down as far as you can, but still keeping the abdominals pulled in and the rib cage relaxed and together. If the arm needs to lift up towards the sky and the foot up a little bit higher, that's completely fine. Switch sides. Two more times. Lift one leg up to 90 degrees, and then tap the toe down towards the mat. Use the abs to lift it back up. Imagine you're really keeping your leg in a 90-degree angle, and as you lower the leg, think of moving from the hip and the thigh rather than just the foot lowering down. So the thigh lowers and the thigh lifts. All the while keeping the abdominals scooped in and up. Curl the head, neck, and shoulders up for the 100. Begin pumping the arms up and down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep reaching the feet down into the ground, abdominals scooped in and up. If your neck begins to hurt, you can always lower the head down for a moment and then jump right back in when you're ready. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time, inhale and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the knees in towards the chest. Reach your left leg up towards the sky for single leg circle. Circle the leg down, around, and up. The opposite leg is knee bent, foot on the ground. Keeping the abdominals pulled in, the arms are pressed into your mat for support. And I'm really thinking of pulling my inner thighs together the entire time. Reverse the circle 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, one more time. Switch legs. And as I circle my leg, I'm really imagining my inner thighs are like magnets pulling in towards each other the entire time to really give me that stability as I circle the leg. Switch the direction, open, down, around, and up. Hug both knees in towards the chest. Single leg stretch. Reach one leg out, hug the other knee in towards the chest. Your leg is reaching to a 45-degree angle. And pull and pull. Just like we did in the 100, think of scooping your abdominals in and up. You're going to lower the head down and reach the legs straight up towards the sky, still moving the legs and keeping the abdominals pulled in. Keep the chest open, elbows out to the side. Flip over onto all fours. Reach your right arm forward and lower. And now just the left arm. As you lift, really think of gliding the shoulder blade down to the back. My palm is facing in. Instead of having it face down, when it faces in, it allows the shoulder to naturally rotate down to give us proper alignment. And now the legs. Reach back and lower. I really imagine my thigh and my booty are connecting, and it really gives me a nice engagement through the hamstring and support as I reach the leg back. Add the arms and legs together, opposite arm to opposite leg. My abdominals are pulled in the whole time, and if this is too challenging, you feel a little wobbly, you can always go back to doing just the arms or just the legs until you feel ready to do both. Stretch back into child's pose for a nice deep breath. Swing your legs in front of you, straightening out both legs, flexing the feet, hands onto your shoulders, twisting to the side for some spinal rotation. Think of zipping the rib cage together and still scooping those abdominals in and up. So we're giving nice support to the spine through our core as we work on our rotation. Now, if you're like me, one side may be a little bit more flexible than the other, and that's okay. Open the legs out, mat width distance apart, arms forward, palms saying hi to each other, and then softly bend those knees as you stretch forward for spine stretch forward. If you have the mobility in your legs, you can always straighten out both legs. In spine stretch forward, you want to think of your heels reaching out, fingertips reaching out, but your abdominals are pulling back. Come onto your side for a side leg series. Lift the top leg up for front and back 10 times. As you reach the leg back, keep your hips stacked on top of the bottom one, just to make sure that we still get that full glute engagement. I kind of lost my balance there, so I'll remind you, like I had to remind myself, make sure you use your abdominals to keep your balance. Up and down. Point your foot up as you lift and lower down with a flexed foot. If it feels too unstable, you can always bend your bottom leg just slightly to give a little extra support. Rotate the leg to parallel hip height and pulse up. Four, three, two, and one. Bend the top leg. I'm placing my foot in front. You can always place that foot in the back for some inner thigh action on the bottom leg, lowering and lifting. Also 10 times. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go to the other side. Check that core, check the hip alignment, and we'll start with front and back. Last one. Up and down. Rotate the leg to parallel, flexing the foot. I like to imagine I'm balancing something on the side of my foot there, so I'm really not just tossing the leg up. I'm controlling as I lower and lift. Inner thighs, lift the bottom leg up 10 times. Check your shoulders, make sure they're relaxed, and keep breathing. Come on up to a seated position, and we're just going to finish with a big inhale and exhale.
You did it! Yay! So if you have any questions, wondering, did I do that right? I can't quite feel it. Just leave a comment. I'll reply back, and I'll try and give you the best tips that I can via the internet. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. You're going to get stronger and stronger with every video you do with me. So I look forward on seeing you on the next one.